New at 11, a Lake Worth neighborhood outraged after a nearby abandoned home becomes this, a dangerous dumping site. News Channel 5's Jeff Skrypek joining us live in Lake Worth with the story. Jeff?
Well, Michael, what was once a family home has turned into a trash pit. This foreclosed house littered with hundreds of tires, old appliances, and all sorts of bags of trash. And tonight, those who live next door to this, they're frustrated, saying no one seems to want to take responsibility of it. Abandoned and left to wither in Lake Worth, 1231 South L Street is dying.
It's horrible. It's horrible. It's a perfect place for, like I said, for rodents.
And a perfect place to dump trash. Craig Frost lives a few doors down from the forgotten home that over the years has slowly turned into a disgusting wasteland.
Any locals that now want to just dump stuff and get away with it, tires, appliances, furniture, it's just piling up.
It's not just one or two tires, it's hundreds. Frost fears both for the appearance of his neighborhood and for the safety of it. He says he's called the city and beyond, but no one is listening.
My fear is just they're going to encroach onto other properties next to it, and it gets further and further.
When we tried calling the City of Lake Worth Code Compliance Office, we only got this voicemail.
We do not accept anonymous complaints.
When we did a quick property record search, we found out the house is actually owned by Bank of America, who sent us this statement. It appears that the property is in our name, but there is a chance that the property is the responsibility of another servicer, as we have not been able to identify the property in our portfolio. Frost says he just wants someone to take responsibility before the problem gets to his doorstep.
Level or rehab the house and have the family move in, one or the other.
Now, Bank of America, which is the listed owner, says it is looking into the matter and could have more answers as early as tomorrow. Reporting live tonight here in Lake Worth, I'm Jeff Skrypek, WPTV News Channel 5.